with them and thus let them be free with you without hiding anything. Again, the second thing what I want to tell you, train the children to be just like an average child of the school. In the school, there are different types of children. So, if you are having a luxurious life at home, it doesn't mean that the child should come in the school also with that luxurious ways. No. Then, what will be the advantage of it? The advantage, the children will know at home, because they are having all the luxurious atmosphere only. They do not know what is happening in the society. So the children, how they come to the school, how do they go, what type of dress they wear, usually uniform is the skill. They will come to know the problems of the societies and the difficulties undergone by the ordinary man and their children. So it is very necessary, you should give them a chance to live as an average child in the school. And nowadays all the facilities are available with us. They may ask pocket money from you. So how much they ask, that much you will be giving. That idea also is to be avoided. You have to have an idea how much pocket money is to be given to my child and ask for an account of it. The children will know the accountability from their childhood itself. Again, and nowadays what we see is the children want to be independent, but the parents, they don't want the child to be independent, they want to depend. The children should depend on us, that is their idea. So what they do, as soon as they come, remove the shoes and arrange the clothes, everything they have, the parents do, or they will ask the servants to do. Even though at the age of 4 or 4 and a half, the children want to do themselves, then they will be feeling happy and they will be independent also. If we don't teach them in such a way, we fail to give the education of life. The first and foremost thing, the education of life is to be given to the children. And we are protecting them or overprotecting them. So what do they lack? They will not know how to live a life, a natural life. It will be very difficult for them. Again, this is the time all the technologies are coming up, TV, net, all this. I am not talking about the next KG children, only these children will be growing up. As they grow up, in the net, what do they do? In the TV, what do they watch? For all these things, you have to check on it and you have to sit with the children, analyze on it, and then critically evaluate. Let the children know what is right and what is wrong. Nowadays, birthday celebrations are there. And if we are going to display the wealth that we are having in the birthday celebration, that will be again a difficult task. Let us have a practice. The children will be taken to have the children's home or the leper colony or any old age home, and the children also will see the suffering. At the same time, they will be cultivating an idea of helping the poor and the needy. It is you parents who have to teach the children, otherwise they will not have any sensitivity towards the poor and the downtrodden. My dear friends, be careful about the companions they are having and their friends. And you have to know them, whether the way of talk and behavior outside is correct or not. Afterwards, and you should give the freedom to them so that they will be saying how do they behave outside with their friends, what are the types of talk that they are having. These are very necessary. And moreover, a type of appreciation and respect towards the teacher is to be cultivated by the parents. When you talk so high about the teachers at home, the children also will feel that, yes, my teacher is great. That feeling must be there among the children. Then only they will grow showing the respect towards the teachers, and they will know how to live obeying the elders. If we do not know all these things, we have seen so many things what are happening in the day-to-day life, the society, and even from the newspaper we listen. I will just say one example. An army officer and his wife, a nurse, having only one child, one boy. Army officer will come to home for holidays maybe once in 6 months. And every day this mother, who is a nurse, has to look after the boy, and the boy grew up and he reached class 10. One day when father came home for holidays, usually when the parent they come for holidays, they want to enjoy, share the happiness. That is a necessity. What happened? This mother told, "I'm not able to take care of this child because he is not at all obedient, he is not studying anything, he is not getting good marks. If you are going for good marks, rank and distinction, the whole development or all-round development of the child will not be taking place. It is not only academics, there are different parts also." So after hearing all this, father also told, "Once in a blue moon I come, and at that time I am hearing this only, you are not able to give me something happy news." Only that much he said. Let it be anything. Afterwards they went to sleep after dinner and all. Father and mother slept for the day only, but the son slept for eternally on 2 rods. How these things happen? Because these are what they see on the TV, and then they are not able to take up the life situations also. Whom to blame? I say both the teachers and the parents, because they have not taught them how to face the realities of life. They should know how to face the realities of life. Not only success, failures also will come in the life situations. So they should know how to take it. I don't want to take much of your time. I will bless you and I will make your name great so that you will be a blessing. The word of God. This word of God is to be made a reality in our day-to-day life. Let us all be a blessing to the one who is sitting next to us, to our neighbor, and a blessing to the nation. Thank you. May God bless you. And institution and its growth. In a special way, this is the first time nursery KG children perform a program for 2 hours. It is almost 2 hours. It is really wonderful, and again I congratulate all the teachers and all the members who work behind it. Thank you. May God bless you.
Yeah, I know. I love my friends. You will be loving more. How? Now we present Punjabi dance. Now, I'll get the ball again. 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 I'll get the ball again.
I'm quite sure that the fabulous performance of our young budding stars might have fascinated you. They may not be perfect to perform, but they are perfectly innocent. They all need your encouragement to grow confidently. So please, ladies and gentlemen, once put your hands together to encourage all the students as they are the child artists. We felt honored today as our honorable chief guest of the day, our respected Sister Kanti, has graced the occasion. Sister Kanti is a part of our Sacred Heart family. She had served Sacred Heart Convent School for more than 10 years as principal, and the school has been upgraded from high school to senior secondary school under her leadership. Sister, we still miss the warmth of your love and the wisdom, piece of advice that you shared with us. Thank you very much, sister, for being with us today, and we look forward for your constant support in future also. Dear parents, you are the one who are to be appreciated and admired the most, because without your wholehearted cooperation and support, this function could not be a great success. So the credit goes equally to you for the grand success. So please, ladies and gentlemen, it's my humble request to you to give a very, very round of applause for each one of you. We salute your alliance association with us and welcome your wonderful ideas and valuable suggestions for the improvement in the coming years. I, on behalf of our principal, Sister Teswin, worthy teachers, and the students of Sacred Heart family, extend my gratitude and thank you very much for being with us today, for spending your valuable time with us, as these will be the cherished moments forever in life for us. Dear parents, we regret any kind of inconvenience during the preparation or commencement of this program. Dear parents, it is our humble request to you, kindly collect your children from their respective classrooms after the national anthem very patiently, as the participants will be moving to their classes only after the national anthem. I once again thank you one and all for being with us today. Have a nice time.